Hi, this is YT Liang from A10 Technology. Today, we would like to show you another application in the Soul, our demo room in Irvine, California, which is the digital signage in hospitality. For example, a sports bar that you're looking at right now. Imagine you are a bar owner. What are the two main points that you'll be facing every day? I'll say the first one is video distribution and switching. You want to switch different sports channels on the TVs that you have in your bar. And the second pain point will be how to do the switching and controlling. Imagine your bartender or your server has to find the remote controllers to switch. Well, with our A10 Pro AV solutions, you'll be able to do all the switching with one simple push button on the tablet. So exactly how do we do it? We utilize A10's over IP extenders and control system. So for the first part, the video distribution, we utilize the over IP transmitter, this one that you're looking at. So for the transmitter, we have a HDMI in, which you can connect to your video sources like your cable boxes. And we have the network cable out. And the signal goes to the network switch and then arrive on the receiver side. So on the receiver, you will see two network connections, and then HDMI out, which you can connect to your TVs. And if we look at the receiver a little bit closer, one of the questions you may have is why do we have two network connectors? The reason is because we can daisy chain the receivers. So imagine if you are doing a 3x3 video wall, you don't have to run 9 long network cables all the way to the network switches. You only need one, and then you can daisy chain the receivers together. And another thing you can notice, we have all the labels on top, so it'll be very easy for you to tell which connectors are on which side. One last thing is you can notice we also have the ID number and the push buttons. It's because we make it simple for the professional audio-video system integrators that you can finish the configuration even without knowing the IP addresses. You just need to push these buttons. And one last thing that we really love is our HDMI Lock Pro. So you can notice on the HDMI connector, on top of it, there's a little screw. So with the Lock Pro, you'll be able to lock your HDMI cable firmly on the receivers and both, of course, on the transmitter side. So how about the second part, control? So let me show you the tablet first. Let's say if you are an end user, today we push this button and push to the 3x1 video wall behind me, and you can notice the video switching just happens right away. So how it happens is the app will talk to the control box, and the control box will do two things. One, it will send the switching function commands to the receivers, so the receivers can switch to different transmitters. And how that is done is, of course, sending commands to over IP extenders. But the second thing is we will also be able to turn on and turn off the TVs. And how that is done is the control box will send the RS-232 signals to the transmitters. So you can see here we have IR, RS-232, or even the USB. So what will happen is the transmitter will bundle all the signals together and send it over the network. And once all the signal received to the receiver side, the receiver will embed the RS-232 signals and then send it to the displays, so the displays can be turned on and off. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more featured videos of what A10 can offer you both the Pro AV and IT solutions in the Soul, our demo room in Irvine, California. I'll see you next time.